Assalamualaikum students. Today our topic is circle the beginning sounds. Do you know what is beginning sound? The starting sound of any object or a thing is known as beginning sound. The sound from which the name of the thing starts is known as beginning sound. Okay, let's start doing its exercise. Okay. Do you know which object is this? It is a ball. The starting sound of ball is b, ball. Okay, now tell me, should we circle a sound, d or b? Ball. So we will circle b. Now, what is this? This is mat. The starting sound of mat is Now tell me, should we circle g, mat? So we will circle sound, mat. What is this? This is sun. Sun. The starting sound of sun is s. So which sound we will circle? K, z. So we will circle sound. What is this? This is tree. The beginning sound of the tree is t. Okay. What should we circle? Sound t or l? T, tree. So we will circle t sound. What is this? This is flower. Flower. The beginning sound of the flower is. So which sound we will circle? W or eh. So we will circle flower. What is this? Pencil. Pencil. Should we circle O, G, P? So we will circle pencil. P. Okay, this is our activity of circle the beginning sounds. Okay students, after doing this, now your assignment is this, that you have to do a lot of practice of circle the beginning sounds at your homes. Thank you.